Today's recipe is a rich and creamy vegetable soup with a special twist using milk for extra flavor and texture. Let's get started. All we need is 1 onion, 1 celery, 2 carrots, 1 zucchini, 3 potatoes, 2 spoons of flour, 4 spoons of olive oil, 1 liter of milk, pepper, and salt. First, let's heat 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a pot. While that's warming up, we continue chopping the onion so that we could add it to the pot, and then we could add a pinch of salt. Let's leave them for a couple of minutes until soft and fragrant. After that, we continue with the celery, which we will be cutting that into small chunks. We add the chopped celery in the pot, and then we continue with the same process as we did with the celery by chopping the carrots into small pieces, and of course we also add this to the pot. Then we continue with the zucchini. We keep cutting that into chunks and pour that into the pot as well, along with the carrots, celery, and onions. We mix them well. On to the next part, smoked ham. This is totally optional. I do myself enjoy some ham taste on the soup, so yeah, I did that and chopped it into small pieces and put it separately in a frying pan so that it could cook for a couple of minutes and will give it like a slightly crispy texture and enhance the overall taste. Now it's time for the secret ingredient, 1 liter of milk. And after we add that, we stir them well. I myself did also add 1 cup of water so that I could balance the texture. We let them simmer for about 20 minutes so the flavors blend beautifully. In the meantime, we cut the potatoes into small chunks and add that to the mixture, and we continue like stirring them until fully combined. And finally, we add our fried smoked ham and continue cooking until the potatoes are fully soft. At this point, we can season them with pepper and salt to taste. Let's give a nice stir to that as well. To give our soup a gourmet touch, we prepare some crunchy toppings. We spread some Parmesan cheese, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds on foil, and we bake them in the oven for 5 minutes until crispy. And there it is, our creamy, flavorful vegetable soup with milk. It's perfect for a cozy meal. Give it a try and let me know in the comments what's your favorite soup recipe.